Kasakai, ladies and gentlemen, and एक बार फिर आपका स्वागत है हमारे The Girl Next Door podcast में. Last time when we were here, you heard Sonali Verma talk about her journey, how she made a difference, and how she has led her life in this country. आज हमारी स्पेशल गेस्ट और भी खास है. वो टेक इंडस्ट्री से आती हैं, इंजीनियरिंग करी हुई है, लेकिन उसके बाद भी उन्होंने अपना एक अलग पैशन फॉलो किया है. डू यू नो व्हाट? इट इज द आर्ट ऑफ मिक्सिंग ड्रिंक्स, स्पेशली मेकिंग कॉकटेल्स. हम सब अलग अलग बार्स में जाते हैं, अलग अलग रेस्टोरेंट्स में जाते हैं, और जब वो कॉकटेल्स पीते हैं तो हमें लगता है यार हु हैज मेड इट, राइट? और ये है वो ब्रेन बिहाइंड मेकिंग टन्स ऑफ कॉकटेल्स, and she has been creating and sharing these cocktails through her Instagram page with everybody here, not only in Austin, but the world. She has been living in Austin, breathing in Austin, and making cocktails in Austin. Shushmita, welcome to our show.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Thank you so much.
Finally.
Yes.
Finally हम ये कर रहे हैं, right?
Okay. Yes.
Finally हम ये कर रहे हैं.
Yes.
मजा आ रहा है?
Absolutely. बहुत मजा तो पता नहीं, अभी तो मतलब मुझे तैयार होकर कैमरे के सामने खड़े होने की बात करने की आदत नहीं है.
हाँ.
But I'm very excited that what is there in store, and I'm so excited to share my story with you all. And I don't know. Let's see how it goes.
हम दोनों अभी थोड़ी देर पहले तक बात कर रहे थे कि यार हम दोनों ही नर्वस हैं, बट we'll make it through.
Yes, we will. We will.
So thank you so much, Sushmita, for
Thank
coming on
you.
our show
Thank
once
you.
again.
Thank
And
you.
यार ये तुम क्या कर रही हो mixology से? मतलब हाँ, what is it all about? Tell me a little bit about yourself first,
Okay.
and then tell me a little bit about ये पूरा concept of mixology क्या है?
Okay, so कैसे start करूँ? So you have given my introduction already, that I live in Austin and I have been in Austin for a while, and engineering करी है like every Indian kid, क्योंकि करनी पड़ती है. There is no other way, अगर डॉक्टर नहीं बन रहे हो तो इंजीनियर ही बनोगे. PMT में मार्क्स नहीं आए तो क्या करें?
ये इतनी सही बात है. हमारे माँ बाप जो भी देख रहे होंगे वो कह रहे होंगे इन बच्चों को पढ़ा के अपने बिल्कुल ही
पढ़ा लिखा के यहाँ बिठा के ये कर रहे हैं.
Exactly.
So after doing my engineering, I did my MBA again, of course. और क्या करेंगे?
हाँ.
There is no other thing. Then I worked as a management consultant with Deloitte in the capacity of being a data scientist. Then I moved to Amazon. फिर शादी कर ली, फिर यहाँ आ गई. Like, I mean, I don't know. Yeah,
Typical South Asian women की जो कहानी होती है.
exactly. I mean, your story, as we always talk about, is unique, but हम सब एक ही चीज तो कर रहे हैं. हमारा पाथ सेम रहता है, हमारे स्ट्रगल्स अलग है. आई अग्री, एवरीवन हैज देयर ओन जर्नी, बट द पाथ दैट वी ऑल फॉलो इज ऑलवेज लाइक द सेम. देन यू डिसाइड टू डू व्हाट यू वांट टू डू. शुड यू बी अर्निंग मनी, शुड यू बी फॉलोइंग योर पैशन? देयर इज ऑलवेज दिस thing that you have to fight, and it's good both ways. I mean, there's no harm in pursuing what you have studied. There is no harm in pursuing what you are, what I am doing, which is like very different.
So tell me a little bit about this कि how did a engineering kid landed into mixing cocktails? मतलब क्या दारू का बहुत शौक था? क्या था?
So this is like this question I really want to address, guys. मैं दारू पी के नहीं पड़ी रहती हूँ. You can come to my place anytime. I'm always sober. और आज कैमरे में बोल रही हूँ. I'm sure a lot of you are listening. I'm not. Like, I love the techniques by which you can do so much with drinks. It's just like जो chefs होते हैं, right? If you go to a restaurant, it's like people, they are always the chefs behind the kitchen. They are always making something nice because they are very intrigued by the flavors. They are very intrigued by different ingredients. And the same with me. You know what? When you mix things in alcohol, they just change the taste so much, and it has always intrigued me. So whenever I go to a market, कोई नया fruit देख लिया, you know, something which is like very interesting. You don't find a lot of fruits when you were growing up in India. Like we did not have dragon fruit, we did not have passion fruit, we did not grow up with these things, right? These things, they came very late. But when you go there and you know that they taste really good, and when you like do anything with it, I'm not saying कि सब बैठ के दारू बनाओ, like make anything with
हाँ,
it, right?
creativity वाली बात.
Creativity, it's about creating drinks. And this has how do I say it, like I enjoyed drinking. I am not like, I was not born with this thing कि पैदा होते ही दारू पी ली, नहीं.
नहीं, हाँ.
You all go to college and that's how you are introduced to drinks. You drink beer, you drink a lot of other things. And then मुझे तो नहीं पसंद आती थी, मुझे बियर पीना नहीं अच्छा लगता था. I did not enjoy drinking, you know, neat whiskeys, but those were the only things that you could drink because you are young, you are not earning a lot of money, right? Some of us are having their own pocket money, some of us are doing small jobs to support their education. So that's how I was. तो बस ऐसे ही फिर once I went to a fancy bar, it was I think someone's birthday or whatever, I don't remember, and that's how I was like, all right, this is something really interesting. It's not just vodka and orange juice, it's like it's something fancy. And that's like way back when I was in undergrad. And I don't think उसके बाद मैंने कभी उसके बाद नहीं सोचा मैंने कि इसी में करियर बनाना है, बट पीने में अच्छा लगता था. And then, as I said, that once I moved here, for me, it was like, let's see what I can do. And I have always like been blogging about a lot of things. So my Instagram was already, you know, well established in India when I moved here. So I was already posting a lot of drink recipes, not recipes like, you know, making the classic cocktails, presenting them in a way that, you know, they are pretty, they are beautiful. And that content got noticed, and I started working with alcohol brands, mixer brands, for creating content for them. And then I was actually approached to create some new recipes for them. And I think that was the time when things changed, and I thought that this is something I can do. I went to the bartending school in New York. I worked in a few bars, like in New York itself. And then I came back to Austin, and I was like, चलो करते हैं कुछ.
तो मेरे को ये बता कि जैसे you said that you went to a friend's party and you had a cocktail and that was what would you say कि वो life changing moment था?
No.
Okay.
No, it was not. I won't say, because I was very focused. Very now, I was at that point in time, I was doing my engineering. I was like, ठीक है, engineering करनी है, इसके बाद देखते हैं आगे क्या करना है, M.Tech करना है कि MBA करना है. And then I did my MBA, and then I was like, I was very focused that I have to be like, you know, be this corporate lady and earn a lot of money, and that's all. Like, I'm not saying I was unhappy. No, I was very happy in my job. I was earning a lot of money and I was fine. But it's just that, you know, I got this opportunity that I can do something that I have been doing as my hobby. And I was blessed enough that I could do it. मेरे पास कोई इतनी बड़ी responsibilities नहीं थी. I did not move here as a student. I did not have a student loan. I moved here when I was like, you know, in a very good phase in my life, and that's fine. Like, we all have our different journeys. I was very happy, and I was like, all right, let's see if I can do this.
So when you came here, were you on a visa?
I was so I came on a visa that's L2, that's a dependent visa on
But you can
L1.
work.
I can work, but at that point in time when I came here, you have to apply for a EAD.
Right.
Right. Right now, L2 just they can enter and they can start
Correct.
working. At that point in time, you
What year was that?
early 2019.
Yeah.
On L2 visa, early 2019.
Yeah, you had to, like, because I came on L2 too. तो पहले आप EAD के लिए apply करते हो, फिर आप wait करते हो उसके आने का.
So for me, the waiting period was very, very difficult, very depressing, because I was like, I did not think through it. You know, a lot of us, I think this is a lot of our stories, we don't think through it. We just
Right.
make decisions in our life when we
Yeah.
are young. And it's okay. Like, I'm not saying it's wrong.
Right.
Like, go with the flow, that's fine. Just be sure that you are safe and secure to go to be going with the flow. Because क्या होता ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, अगर things wouldn't have worked out, I would have gone back.
हाँ.
As simple as that. I mean, कुछ this was not a question of life and death.
Right.
So when I moved here and I was waiting for, and my L2 EAD took around 8 to 9 months, and that was like the toughest phase. And that's when I was like aggressively blogging, and then this started happening. So yeah, I mean, I did not sit, idle. I was like, कुछ तो करना है.
कुछ तो करना है.
हाँ, ऐसे बैठ नहीं सकते, because I have never sat, like that.
वो कुछ तो करना है में मिक्सोलॉजी क्या आप इंडिया से कर रहे थे?
नहीं.
आप यहाँ आगे करना शुरू कर. तो हाँ, मतलब कब ये जर्नी कैसे दिमाग में आया कि यार आज से मैं ड्रिंक्स मिक्स करूँ?
नहीं, ऐसे कभी नहीं होता कि आज से करूंगी. As I said कि I have been making those drinks at home.
Okay.
When
And people have been appreciating it.
people में तो पति आता है.
सही बात है.
So because I was not serving those drinks to people per se, and when I moved here, I did not have a lot of friends कि हाँ चलो घर में party कर रहे हैं and I'm making drinks. It's just me and my husband. So we were like doing this, and drinks, the way you present them, photos वगैरह अच्छी लेना, and doing drink photography was something that I really enjoyed. So and I was like, as I said, I have always appreciated, enjoyed good cocktails. So even after college, like once you start earning, I would go to bars and only order cocktails, because I'm not gonna, order a very fancy, say vodka or a fancy whiskey. I will always order a cocktail. And even if it's a simple cocktail, like an old fashioned, I know that I have to know that how different people make it differently.
Got it.
Yeah.
तो कमिंग बैक टू द क्वेश्चन कि कोई पर्टिकुलर डिफाइनिंग मोमेंट नहीं है या कोई
नहीं.
ऐसा पर्टिकुलर डिफाइनिंग ड्रिंक नहीं है just because of
No,
which you
no,
came in.
no.
It was just out of love.
It's love for drinks. It's a gradual journey, I would say. It's a gradual thing. It did not happen in one day, because I said I had a lot of time. I was idle for almost 7, 8, 9 months. So I was like, it was gradually that I decided, करते हैं ना यार, इसमें कुछ क्या हो गया.
हाँ.
And it's like,
You wanted to try something and this kind of actually.
yeah.
कितना जरूरी होता है अपने मतलब ये एक बहुत मैं ये कहना चाहूंगी कि बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज है बहुत सारी लेडीज के लिए कि समटाइम्स व्हेन यू आर बिगिनिंग अ जर्नी यू रियली डोंट नो वेयर इट विल गो बट यू जस्ट हैव टू ट्राई इट. Just like Shushmita did, she tried her mixology journey and she didn't know that where it will go. She was just loving it, and that's all.
I was like, yeah, let's do it. But for me, I knew it's going to be a thing for me once I went to the bartending school, because in bartending school you meet a lot of people, like there are kids who are like they are going to college, and they know that we have to do this job to support our education. And then there are people who are like, who really want to pursue this as a career. They are learning the skill, the art of making drinks.
Was going to bartending school easy? मतलब आप यहाँ जब आए उसके बाद आप कितने टाइम बाद आपने बार्टेनिंग स्कूल अटेंड किया?
I think within a year कर लिया था.
अच्छा, और कितने महीने का कोर्स होता है वो?
ज़्यादा महीने का नहीं होता. It's like it depends. Like there are levels, and mine was a 40-hour week course. But the thing is, the education, it never stops. Like you will, there is Wine and Spirit Education Trust. You are always going through education, level 1, level 2, like to understand spirits, understand wines, because you just, एक परसेप्शन होता है ना, अच्छा क्या ही कर रहे हैं, दारू ही तो मिक्स कर रहे हैं. नो, यू आर नॉट. यू आर एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंडिंग every alcohol is, every kind of spirit is an art in itself. I mean, वरना हर कोई घर पे विस्की बना रहा होता. You know what I mean? Like there are techniques, there are things, so much to understand when you are making a wine, you are making a whiskey. So all these things, and this education, it has to continue. It never stops. So going to the school was the turning point, as you say, as you have been asking. Yes, like going to the school, and then I realized, no, I'm not going back from here. I want to try where it takes me. I really want to explore all the options. And yeah.
To go and work in a bar. What are some of the common comments you have heard?
So मेरे लिए ये नहीं था कि अरे लोग क्या कहेंगे. मेरे लिए ये था कि am I too old to do it? Because we also come with a timeline in our head कि अरे 25 तक एजुकेशन हो जाएगी, 30 तक शादी हो जाएगी, 30 तक तो बच्चे भी हो जाएंगे, है ना. ये we come with these kind of mindset, and I was like, I have already worked so much, and then I'm going back starting from scratch. That's exactly what I did. But I was like, in my head, I was like, am I too old to go there? All the other bartenders and you are going to be very young. Like they are going to be in their late teens. And then I don't know what I'll do. So मेरे दिमाग में काफी questions थे. But I would say if you really want to do it and just go and do it. Like it doesn't matter.
What does a cocktail making process looks like? Like if when you start making a cocktail, is there some kind of inspiration, some story which is associated to that process? Talk a little bit about that process
Okay.
itself.
So when you like create a recipe for a cocktail, it's like first you have to think about like how it will look like, what it will have,
Okay.
what all it will have. And when you say story, like anything can give you an inspiration. Like, I went to kabhi I don't like grocery shopping at all, but there are good days.
Who likes grocery shopping?
पसंद है,
हाँ,
क्यों
क्यों
पसंद है?
पसंद है? ऐसा क्या है Costco में जो तुम्हें कहीं और नहीं मिल रहा?
So, but there are some good days. So when I go to the, go to the nearest HEB or Whole Foods or Costco or whatever, and then कुछ अच्छा सा दिख गया मुझे कि कुछ नया लग रहा है. It's looking pretty. So should I be like, or you find even, I'm not saying just go to the fruit section or the vegetable section, cooked food, processed food, those frozen food section, there you can find like something which you don't know, right? मेरे लिए तो काफी बार ऐसे होता है कि कुछ भी like anything अभी दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा wow. But then again, like you find something, you're like or you go to a restaurant, you eat something and you're like अरे यार इसको ड्रिंक में कैसे बनाया जाए, like even if
समझ गई मैं. जैसे कई बार बहुत सारे डेजर्ट, जैसे अब आजकल रसमलाई केक आता है.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
Somebody would have thought about it कि यार ये जो रसमलाई है डेजर्ट, how can I put it in baked cake?
Yeah, same. So even if I eat a say ice cream, or even if something as simple as a croissant, I would like, can I make something which is like which tastes like croissant, but you are drinking a croissant? Yeah, you can. I mean, these are very beautiful things that you can do with when you're making a cocktail.
Oh wow, this is amazing. I mean,
So
you are saying कि बहुत सारे ऐसे drinks हैं जो आप बना सकते हो and it would actually taste like some.
yeah, because you make
Give me an example.
Okay, so croissant का ही ले लेते हैं
हाँ.
example. So like you are like making something. Now you make a infused vodka, croissant infused vodka. Croissant को vodka में डाल के रखो कुछ time तक, and then what you get, you filter out that vodka. You get a vodka which tastes, and vodka is, believe me, is my favorite alcohol when it comes to experimenting with drinks, because vodka doesn't have its own taste. If you are drinking a vodka which has its own taste, you are drinking a very bad, cheap vodka. Please stop drinking it. So
I think मेरा experience vodka के साथ ऐसा ही रहा है.
Oh God.
Like the first time I had vodka, it was in college and I had it and it was so bitter, so bitter. और हम सारी लड़कियां मिलके पार्टी कर रहे थे. And I think that was the first time and the last time I had it, because the experience was so horrifying
Oh God.
that I never ever went back to it.
But I think just, infuse your vodka with a lot of flavors, and then make a drink out of it. It's, croissant में और क्या जाता है? There is flour, there is butter, there is vanilla extract. What else is there in croissant? Yeah, it's just bread, right?
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
flaky bread.
Yeah.
So you have given that flaky bread, buttery flavor to your vodka. Now make a drink which is like light in taste, which you know that if I drink it, I love to eat croissant with coffee. So make a drink which is with this vodka and a little bit of coffee, espresso, whatever. And you have so much to experiment. So that's why I love making cocktails. So this is the whole journey. Like I take inspiration or whatever. Like sometimes I'm like, right now I'm doing a summer drink series. So it's all about fruity cocktails.
So where are you posting these stuff?
On my Instagram, Sushmita Malakar. Just go and follow.
Guys, go ahead and follow Sushmita Malakar, क्योंकि if you are into cocktails and if you're into drinks, I think she posts some amazing drinks. So thank you for saying that.
Want to serve this drink? Is it going to be a welcome drink if I'm hosting a party? Then उसका taste कैसा होगा उसमें? Alcohol content कितना होगा? If I'm going to serve it with like, what kind of food? Like am I going to serve it with steak or am I going to serve it with dal makhni? So, वैसा उसका texture, taste, feel. So all these kind of things you have to think about before you just make a drink. Again, mixology is not just daru milana.
हाँ,
Trust me.
एक और क्वेश्चन है तेरे लिए
Mhm.
कि जब जब तू ये इंस्पिरेशंस फाइंड करती है एंड व्हेन यू एक्चुअली थिंक अबाउट अ कॉकटेल ड्रिंक इज देयर एनीथिंग व्हिच इज योर फेवरेट?
Like anything that I have to add in a cocktail? Or...
No. I mean, not your favorite ingredient. A
Okay.
favorite cocktail you have made or you have had in the last several years.
So there are a lot of cocktails which are like my own, and then the classic cocktails which like my version of those classic cocktails which I really enjoy. So it has to be an old fashioned because every bartender in any bar makes their own version of the old fashioned. So I'm no different. And whenever you apna jo the old fashioned that I make is like my favorite. Then the margaritas that I make is my favorite. Then there are certain variations of the drinks which I have made and which I absolutely enjoy. So I personally like drinks which have a lot of citrus in it, a lot of herbs in it, like say basil, mint. I like those kind of cocktails. And any drink, like I made this tamarind margarita, which is like I think the most popular drink that I have served in the parties that I have done so far. So the events which I have done so far, that's like one of the most popular drink, the tamarind margarita. I absolutely love making it. It's spicy. It has a kick to it. So yeah.
So that's your favorite, tamarind margarita.
Not my favorite. Like it's like what the
general
public
favorite.
opinion.
But सुष्मिता मालाकर का फेवरेट क्या है?
Old fashioned.
Old fashioned में क्या?
Old fashioned is basically a bourbon based drink. So you
Achha.
make a bourbon, you take a bourbon, you take a little bit of bitters, you take a little bit of sugar, and then you just serve it over ice. So but the art of making a old fashioned is very unique. So, you can't just add all these things and you get an old fashioned. It's like how you make it that defines an old fashioned.
Got it. तो मैं एक चीज दर्शकों को जरूर बताना चाहती हूँ कि I don't drink and I don't have any knowledge. मतलब मेरे को इतना सा भी नहीं पता है कि ड्रिंक्स कैसे बनती है, स्पिरिट्स का क्या फर्क है. तो if you feel during this video कि मैं कुछ dumb questions पूछ रही हूँ, प्लीज बेयर विथ मी. और इफ यू हैव, क्योंकि मैं वो सारे क्वेश्चंस वो पूछ रही हूँ जो मुझे व्यूअर्स ने दिए हैं कि यू प्लीज आस्क सुष्मिता. सो आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग दोस क्वेश्चंस टू हर. अगर आपके पास कोई क्वेश्चन है तो प्लीज लेट मी नो. हम वापस से सुष्मिता से पूछेंगे वो इन आवर लाइव सेशंस अगर हम करते हैं इसके बाद.
I love live sessions.
You love? यार हमें लाइव ही कर लेना चाहिए था ये, नहीं?
अरे पता नहीं ना अब लोग कब आएंगे, कैसे आएंगे. ये तो फिर भी बार-बार आ जाएंगे.
बार-बार आ जाएंगे.
Instagram, oh my god, Instagram is the most
another ball game.
ball game, yeah.
या तो और तो मैं वही कह रही थी कि बेसिकली मुझे जज मत करना, मुझे बिल्कुल पता नहीं है, मैं बस समझ रही हूँ और मैं धीरे-धीरे समझ रही हूँ. और तुम भी मुझे जज मत करना.
नहीं ठीक है. I mean, I've been in this industry for a while and I have gone through this a lot where I have to explain to people what mixology is. And ये तो काफी इन्होंने प्यार से सब कुछ पूछा है. I have answered people who have been like, I don't know what, very rude also.
So I'm gonna come to that part now.
Okay.
मेरा सवाल ये है कि जो साउथ एशियन सोसाइटी है उसमें अभी भी ड्रिंक्स एंड स्पिरिट्स इज नॉट कंसिडर्ड और सीन इन अ वेरी गुड लाइट, right? And I'm not saying, like, it's slowly changing because if you're drinking and you are still in your control and you're not disturbing anybody else, people are still accepting it, but it's still not a thing in the South Asian culture. It's still a lot of people think that अरे मतलब अगर कोई if somebody drinks, अरे वो तो दारूबाजी है या वो तो पड़ा मिलेगा नाली के साइड में.
right.
Being a woman getting into this field, do you think being in this country actually kind of gave you that space to explore this, or you think कि इंडिया में भी रहती तो मैं शायद ऐसा ही करती?
So if I would have been in India, I wouldn't have done it professionally. I don't know, because right now the scene is changing. अभी मैं जाती हूँ, अभी the bar culture in India is amazing. Whenever I go there, like in Delhi, at least I know, I'm from Delhi. I go to Delhi every year. I see a new bar popping up. So many, amazing mixologists, so many amazing bartenders. If you like follow on Instagram, you'll find amazing content by them. You'll find amazing people. But that's as of today. But when I graduated, when I did my MBA, there was no way that I would have gone, gone and work in a restaurant and just explored this. Probably after a while, the route that I took here, I would have taken the same route that, posting on Instagram and then collaborating with other mixologists, probably, and then exploring, probably doing my education like in wines and spirits, and then taking that route, but not at a very young age. I mean, for me, my foundational years still would have been in a way that I would just go work and then take an early retirement and then do these things. But yes, being in this country has definitely given me the freedom of just exploring it. See, as I said, I was waiting, I was not doing a lot of things anyway, just blogging, right? So that's why I was like, kar lete hain. There's no harm in doing it. So yeah.
So, as a mixologist, when you're doing these things, and it's such a nice way of saying, यार कि you have been honest कि अगर इंडिया में होती नहीं कर पाती,
हाँ,
तो
नहीं
यहाँ
करती
पे
यार,
मैं करने
नहीं
की-
नहीं, सच में नहीं करती. अगर I started drinking cocktails in India. I have been in love with cocktails when I was in India.
हाँ.
It has been a long time. But I don't think I would have been doing it. नहीं यार, नहीं कर पाती, मतलब नहीं ही करती, खुद ही नहीं करती. It's
आज
not
के
like
डेट में क्या लगता है, आज के डेट में जब तू ये कर रही है, एंड व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट दिस टू, लाइक आई नो पीपल ऑफ आवर जनरेशन एंड आफ्टर अस, they would appreciate it because you're doing something which you like and it's your passion. But if I ask you ki when you talk about this to your family and your extended family, have you ever received any kind of mixed emotions or mixed feelings or mixed hints from them? Kya re?
See, immediate family, if I talk about, they have been like supportive. Like whatever you do is fine. Like my family, my sister, my parents, like, my parents are like, they know I do something which is on Instagram and blogging. They are not really, and I don't know, like it's something, I would say, not that they don't care. It's just like if they're not comfortable, that's how Indian parents are. They won't talk about it to you.
Right.
And that's perfectly fine. I mean, they never stopped me from doing whatever I want to do. And I've been blessed that way. My husband's family, they all have been very supportive. Like no one ever questioned me. And I think your immediate family matters the most.
Matters the most.
Right.
Yes.
Extended family, I think they are all there on Instagram. They're all following me. They know what I do. It's just that we have never talked about it. I just don't sit and talk to them that, अरे मैं ये करती हूँ, yeah, this is what I've been doing. I have earned this. I mean, I have won this award or won that or that in this field, because that's not what they like, but I know that probably things change also. They don't want to be associated with you. Not the correct way of saying it, but it's like, it's just that probably they distant you, or you become distant because you are so busy. Everyone's life is different. Everyone is busy, so that's okay. Like I mean, being the what my family or extended family's responses, it has never like really troubled me.
Got
Like,
it.
it has. I mean, that's not something I have even consciously thought, subconsciously thought that that's there. Yeah.
On that subconscious and conscious thing, have you ever received एक एकदम weird सा customer request कि मेरे को एकदम weird ऐसा कोई weird, सबसे weirdest cocktail request क्या था?
Weird से ज्यादा तो मुझे ये होता है कि यार बर्फ के बिना कॉकटेल पीनी है तो मत पियो. Don't go to any bartender and say, make me a mojito without ice.
Oh shoot! I am that person. I am that person. मैं हर बार जब मैं जाती हूँ बार में, I will go and tell the bartender की, और या फिर जो बंदा सर्वर होता है, मैं उसको कहती हूँ कि can you please get a virgin mojito without ice?
हाँ तो okay, see, I'll tell you, ice is not there to increase the volume of your cocktail. Ice is not there to just be there. There is a reason why ice is there. There are some drinks which are supposed to be served with ice. There are some drinks which are made in a way that it will taste the best when it's served with ice.
Virgin mojito के बारे में बता. Can it be served?
No.
Oh, I'm sorry guys. I will never ever do that again. But please थोड़ा कम ice डालो.
छोटे ग्लास में वर्जिन मोहितो मांग लो ताकि आइस कम हो, ड्रिंक उतनी रहेगी. सो काफी लोगों का ये परसेप्शन होता है दैट आइस अगर तुम ज्यादा डाल रहे हो मतलब तुम ड्रिंक कम डाल रहे हो. नो, इफ आई हैव टू सर्व यू 90 ml of the drink, I will do 90 ml of the drink only, with or without ice. It doesn't matter. All right.
Boom. ये मेरे लिए भाई I always मेरे को हमेशा ही लगता था. तो बेसिकली अपन इंडियन है ना, तो
That's true.
तो हमको चाहिए कि भाई हमें हर चीज जो है बिल्कुल एकदम नाप तोल के मिलनी चाहिए. मतलब ज्यादा हो गई तो ठीक बात है,
कम नहीं होनी चाहिए.
तो मुझे हमेशा यही लगता था कि when they serve you the virgin mojito or any mocktail with ice, basically they are मतलब they are giving you less drink. ये मेरी. Thank you so much Sushmita. You
So yeah, I mean for fountain drinks at McDonald's or something, it works.
हाँ.
ज़्यादा मिल जाती है. But don't do this with your cocktails and mocktails. Trust me, every bartender पता चले थूक के दे दे ड्रिंक गुस्से में.
Oh shoot. नहीं भाई, मैं अगली बार से ऐसी गलती.
This is like something. Then there are people.
मुझे पता भी नहीं चलेगा.
No. So then there are people who would like ask for a pina colada without pineapple and coconut. I have no idea that मैं सीधा बोल दे rum shot दे दो. So and then again, like ice, there are some drinks like old fashioned or things which you don't want to get diluted, but you just want it to be chilled. That's why कम ice चलता है, उतना ही proportion होगा. But some drinks like mojito is a summer drink, right? You want to enjoy it when you are in that sun, you are just sitting at a pool or doing something like that. And a drink without ice, it doesn't make any sense. The way it's made like that. क्या होगा?
बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं था.
Drink
मैं माफी मांगना चाहती हूँ उन सारे लोगों से जिनके साथ मैंने ऐसा किया है. प्लीज गाइस मुझे माफ करो, मैं आगे से कभी ऐसे.
It's on camera, so guys, please.
I'm holding up myself for this. ठीक है यार, ये तो मैंने हर ड्रिंक के साथ ऐसा किया है यार. ये आई ओपनर है भाई. ये
don't do
ओपनर है.
Don't do it. And I still receive this request.
मेरे को ये बता कि कॉकटेल और मॉकटेल ऐसी कोई चीज होती है या हमने अपने मन से बना दिया?
Mocktail is literally, it's not a word. Like you say non-alcoholic drink, you say a non-alcoholic beverage, but mocktail is not really a word. It's just a word that we created because we are mocking a cocktail. That's what a mocktail is. So, and cocktail, it came into existence, I think, in the 18th century, probably the first time the word cocktail was used. So yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. लेकिन मॉकटेल जैसा कोई वर्ड नहीं है, ये हमने बना दिया
है. मतलब हाँ, अब तो हो गया होगा डिक्शनरी में, because obviously डिक्शनरी
मैंने यहाँ नहीं देखा है कहीं पे भी
डिक्शनरी में नहीं
हुआ.
हाँ, because
I've always seen मतलब cocktails and then you have the beer
NA
wines, and
and
then you have the non-alcoholic.
alcoholic.
They write it as non-alcoholic.
Yeah, just say, because that's what I also say. I never use like the word mocktail. It's because it's not a word, like it's nothing. So yeah.
So a lot of times non-drinkers like me, when we go to a restaurant or a bar, we ask for different cocktails to be made without the spirit. Do you think it's a valid request?
Yes. It is a valid request for some drinks, but not like, don't ask for an old fashioned without the alcohol. It's like chini and bitters.
Got it.
कैसे serve करेंगे? It's a very valid request. Like a mojito without alcohol can be made. A margarita without alcohol is not really a margarita, but there are restaurants which serve it because, you know, you get the ingredients in non-alcoholic version. That's fine. But some of the drinks can be made without alcohol, but the drinks which have like 2 or more components which are alcoholic, they can't be made non-alcoholic. So yeah.
अभी इस market में, like in the mixology world, is there any upcoming trend that is exciting you a lot, or that is making you look forward to, or maybe not, if not exciting, then you're just making you skeptical about it कि यार ये नहीं चलेगा, please ये सब मत लेके आओ.
Okay, there are two things which I really want to talk about when it comes to this question. So, there are non-alcoholic, de-alcoholized spirits which are coming, which are like zero-proof gin, zero-proof rum.
What does that mean?
It means that the alcohol content from it has been removed. So you make, like you are making, say, a tequila. Tequila ban chuka hai, and then the alcohol from it has been removed, and rest of the drink which is left is your zero proof tequila.
So basically, it's a mocktail.
No, it's not a mocktail. It's a spirit. It's a spirit without the alcohol.
Help me understand that. What do you mean
Zero
by that?
proof. I mean, zero proof is what is the alcohol content in it. There
Okay.
is some alcohol content, right?
Right.
Whatever chemical name it has got, ethanol or I don't know, whatever.
Okay,
Right. So the alcohol content in it, say, when you have say a tequila, that tequila has say 40% of alcohol by volume. That means in 100 ml, the 40 ml of alcohol in it. Right. So what happens is when you are making that tequila, they remove the alcohol content in it, the alcohol chemical component of alcohol. They remove it.
Okay.
Sterile
So
process.
it is no longer an alcoholic drink.
Yeah, it is no longer an alcoholic spirit.
Okay.
So it will be a zero proof spirit.
But is it still alcoholic?
No.
It's a zero proof spirit. So how is it different from being a mocktail or a
Mocktail
non-alcoholic?
is like you mix.
No.
drinks.
I'm asking. So if I have a
So it's like a tequila bottle.
Okay.
You have a tequila bottle, but that tequila bottle will not have any
alcohol
in it. It's going to be a clear spirit. It's going to taste. I don't know what, like I personally don't like these zero proof spirits because if you want to drink something without alcohol, just ask a version which doesn't have that alcohol. Don't add something like that. But then again, there is a huge market for zero proof drinks right now. So that's completely fine. That is one trend about which I am skeptical. Like I want to experiment with it. I'm like still whenever I drink a zero proof rum or a zero proof tequila, I'm not my happiest. But I'm sure like when you make drinks with it, because there are certain spirits again which you can't just drink like that. But when you make drinks, like you mix it with something, when you make a cocktail out of it, it's like a wonderful drink that you have made, even though you did not like the base spirit. So similarly with zero proof alcohol, I think zero proof spirits, I want to do that. I'm still not there. I'm trying to get there.
It's a trend, upcoming trend.
Yeah,
like
it's and
why do you think people are going in that direction?
So again, it's like I don't know, like I'm sure this is how any human life progresses. So there are times when you are in your early 20s, you are like drinking like crazy, then you start earning money and you are like going and indulging in bars, you are drinking cocktails, and then you are in your 30s where you are more health conscious. So people have stopped consuming alcohol. I'm not saying, I mean, there is always a market, right? If there are people who are right now in their 30s not drinking, there are people in their 40s who are like, I'm in my best of my health right now. I just want to enjoy and I just want to drink. So there are always people in the market who are going to drink. I'm not saying that people have stopped consuming alcohol, but in our age group, I have seen this trend that people are either, consuming less alcohol, and there are bars in Austin which serve cocktails with these zero proof spirits.
Got it.
Yeah, so that's why these spirits have come.
Is it like zero alcohol beer? Like
zero alcohol beer, zero alcohol wine. I'm sure you must have seen them, have them.
So they have spirit in it, but they don't have the alcohol chemical composition
of alcohol. Like they have removed the alcohol from it. It's same as your.
Is it like more healthier option?
I won't say healthy. Like see, you don't consume alcohol for the health aspect of it. You don't consume any spirit for the health aspect of it. So I don't want to comment on that. It's not healthier. It's just that, again, zero proof drinks are only for adults. They are still not something that you can serve. It's not a soda. It is still a spirit.
Spirit.
It remains a spirit. It's an adult beverage. It is just without the alcohol. So
Got
you
it.
can't serve it to kids or something like that.
Got it. Got it. And when did, like, when do what do you said that you are not very fond of this
Yeah,
zone, but you
but
still want to try.
yeah, I want to do it because if like the market demands, why not? That's how you evolve in any profession. So that's fine. Like I will do it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now with that doing thing, say someone wants to become a mixologist, or want to start a career in mixology. What suggestion or what advice would you have for those people?
Just do what you want to do. Don't think about.
I mean, what would be the step? Like, what would,
Like go to a bartending school, go to a bar.
or how
even
do
if
you first, in the first go itself, that you will be good at mixology? Like how?
No, it's not like that. As I said, it has been a gradual thing for me. And before doing this, I had a lot of other failed businesses where I tried my hand at doing other things, in the creative field itself. So, I tried doing this, everything, and it somehow did not like, there are things which call your name. So those things did not call my name, and I was like doing it just for the money and not like being so passionate about it. But this thing, I was like, yeah, I can do this and I can sustain this. Probably that's why I'm here till today. I don't know what happens tomorrow. And let's not even think about it because, as I say, always go with the flow. Just be secure and go with the flow. So that's there. But if you want to do it, like, if you want to just start by going into a bar, be a bar back, learn behind the bar. If you don't have, like, if you don't want to invest, don't want to invest and into your education right now, just go and work at a bar. That's fine. Like learn about drinks, learn how things work. And it's definitely not a easy thing, but if you want to do it, just do it like that.
That is such an important message and such a thoughtful message, Sushmita. I think this is for all the folks, not just women, men and women.
Absolutely.
It's for everyone that at there will be times in your life, or there will be point in your life when you would realize that things are not working out, and what would you do? And visa is such a huge topic. We will be soon talking to a legal advisor around it, like how can women combat this challenge, because
Yeah.
most of us actually come as either as H4 dependent or as L2 dependent. Now for the L2 world is still better, but only in the IT sector. Like if you come from a fashion background, or if you come from a legal background, or if you have done your medical in India, it's a whole different ball game.
Yes.
It's just what I really want to say is that follow Sushmita's advice, that
And Instagram account.
and Instagram. Yes, please. Follow her advice and her Instagram account, and do something which you really enjoy, because you never know. There might be something that clicks you, and you might would have followed a passion which is not aligned with the PCM, physics, chemistry, maths, and bio, which you took in your 12th standard to get into medical or engineering, right? A fun question here. If you were to make a cocktail drink for any historical figure, who would that be and why?
This is not fun. This is very stressful. This is very stressful. I don't know. Like, really, I don't know. Historical figure?
You want to tell a celebrity?
No, no one. Like, I'll just go into the future and make a drink for myself. Honestly.
Oh, wow. Okay, let's talk about that. What would you make for yourself in the future?
I'll still make an old fashioned. Like, I'm so basic like that.
So Shmita is stuck to bourbon.
I'm so basic like that. But if I have to like make a drink, I would always go with something which is like very fruity and has a very different kind of a herb, not the regular mint and basil, like surprise me kind of a thing.
Got it.
Yeah.
And since you said fruity, it reminds me that just like perfumes, they have like
so many notes. Yeah.
What are some of the notes in cocktail? Like you have
not cocktails, like the spirits itself, right? So there are bourbon whiskeys which are like, they have woody notes to
Notes
it.
to it.
Then there are spicy notes to your because sometimes the barrels in which they are aged, they can be like cinnamon wood, so it will be spicy, a little spicy. There are vanilla essence to it, and as
Notes,
yeah.
basically. So is there any particular note? Fruity is your note, right?
Yeah.
That's
I would love anything with fruits in it,
in
like
it.
like mostly citrusy fruits, like orange, limes. These are my kind of things.
And now that you have talked so much about mixing drinks and cocktails and everything, I want to understand and probably हमारे जो जितने viewers हैं उनको भी शायद जानना होगा कि when you got into the journey, how did you started marketing yourself? Like, was Instagram the only face of it, or did you also go to networking events and started working with people? How did you do that?
Yeah, so I would really want to say this, like when you ask that how should you go about mixology, just go, and it is very important to be yourself, put yourself out there, be the shameless marketer for yourself, because that's very important. कहीं भी जाओ ना, बस अपने बारे में बात कर लो. Don't think, because this is the mistake that I did. Right, and I learned from it that I did not gain anything out of it. You know what I mean? Like, I have been to so many events and places where people ask me, what do you do? And right now I tell them, but there was a time when I started off, I was still not, I was not sure about pursuing mixology. I was not sure how people are going to perceive it, because we come from a background where we're like, हाँ ठीक है, these are the things you don't
अगर
do
आप
for
IT
a
में नहीं हो
living.
तो फिर
हाँ,
आप क्या ही कर रहे हो?
क्या कर रहे हो?
हाँ.
Exactly. So for me, like, then I started going to, of course, networking event. Instagram is the platform where Instagram is a platform where you have to showcase your skill. It's very good platform where you can gain local following, local businesses, because you start talking about it, people will definitely ask you questions, answer them, be very responsive to all the queries, receptive to all kind of feedback that you get. Just be receptive, just don't be like, don't just dwell on anything that you listen to on social media. And for me, it was Instagram. I started listing myself on websites where there are wedding planners and, the services that you offer to wedding, because bar is one of the major services that is being offered at weddings. And from there, things started picking up. I started doing corporate events, and I'm always doing all sort of events, anything that comes my way, because no work is big or small. Just make sure that uh, you are working in an environment where your art, where your skills is respected. Just make sure, rest, no work is bad work, as long as you are being honest about it. So yeah.
For our listeners, do you wanna share a quick, easy home cocktail recipe जो वो try कर सकते हैं घर पे?
Arey wah, nice. So, all right. So my journey started from making drinks at home, right? Fancy liquors and everything. अब डालना शुरू किया है मैंने, since I have started gaining, people from all backgrounds, so they are not just looking for home cocktails. But if you have got, you know what, you have mint chutney at home, just infuse your vodka with the mint chutney and then strain it. Like, I'll say probably one shot of the mint chutney and 4 shots of vodka. Just infuse it for 2 or 3 hours and then strain your vodka without the chutney, like fine strain it. And then with this vodka, make probably just add lemon lime soda to it, and it's a very beautiful drink. So, just whatever you have in kitchen, just mojito is also a drink that you make in your kitchen, right?
Right.
Lime, mint, some sugar and rum, and then just add soda and you get a beautiful cocktail, right? So just think about it. If you are at home and you are really interested into it, just कुछ भी यार, just think that if I'm putting mint के साथ lime अच्छा जाता है, okay, fennel, coriander के साथ क्या अच्छा जाएगा? Probably fennel, probably orange. What will go good with what? Just think about it. If you can eat it, there is surely a way you can drink it too.
And infusing is the key. Like you infuse.
No, not the key. Like you can just muddle something, just add a little bit. I say infusing because थोड़ा fancy, ठीक है.
So
But you can definitely do
Abhi,
that.
everything, whatever you're doing, you're sharing these amazing recipes and you're sharing your journey, all of this on Instagram.
Right.
And there's
correct.
also a Monday fun content with your husband.
Yeah, I mean, my husband, I think, जाके उसे ही follow कर लो यार तुम लोग. He's like, whenever I post a video with him, it's like, I don't know, people are commenting like crazy. And like, मैं तो रोज डाल रही हूँ, मेरे पे भी comment आ रहे हैं.
But Instagram is the place. Like
Yeah.
Shushmita Malakar
Yeah.
is your Instagram ID,
Right.
and that's where you're actually
Posting
everything.
everything.
Have you received any hatred on Instagram around your videos?
Not so important that I dwell on it.
Oh, awesome! But you have.
But I don't remember. Not that I remember. That sometimes no. I think for me, people have been really kind.
Awesome.
मतलब जाके अब hate comment मत
ऐसा-
कर देना. ऐसे कैसे kind बोल दिया. But
प्लीज hate comment मत करना. बेचारी ने बड़ी मेहनत करी है.
but no hate comment as such. Yeah, I do. I have received DMs where people say that why are you promoting alcohol? See, I'm not promoting alcohol. I'm just sharing what I'm doing with alcohol. It's completely up to you. Like Sneha has been following me. ये थोड़ी है कि वो जाके सब बना के पी रही है.
नहीं मैं रोज दारू पी के पड़ी रहती हूँ. Please guys, listen to me.
So yeah,
exactly.
Yeah, so I'm not promoting alcohol. I'm just sharing what I'm doing with alcohol. And I think if you want to like acknowledge that, that's fine. Otherwise, if you don't like it, just don't follow. Yeah, as simple as that. Life is very simple, guys.
ये अगर समझ में आ जाए तो क्या ही बात थी. But I think we have talked a lot and you have shared so much. Please go ahead and follow Shushmita. She has been following her passion and she's sharing her recipes with you. And it's very like we women take when it comes to things like following our passion, it's a little harder for us from the rest of the world. And if we are following our passion, it means that we have taken that one single step to move forward. And only a community of women and men supporting women can help us grow further.
That's
right?
true. That's very true. I think I wouldn't not that I wouldn't have been doing it. It's just like that at the pace at which I'm doing it, it's all because my husband has always been there, not telling me what to do and not telling me what not to do. Basically, he just exists as a support system. He has never been like, been the person who will stop me or not, he'll push me for sure to do things, but he'll never stop. So yeah, I mean, if you are a woman, just make sure you're following your dreams. And if you are a man, just be a support system. Like, just don't even, if you don't like it, just don't tell her. Just let her do whatever she wants to do. That's all.
Yes, please. And thank you so much, Shushmita, for talking with us today.
You.
And Shushmita is our girl next door. And there are many, many, many women like Shushmita who would relate to her ki, अरे जैसे इन्होंने किया है, I'm also doing certain things. And if you are that woman, reach out to me. Reach out to the girl next door at gmail.com and tell us your story, because we are here to celebrate your story, your journey with the rest of the world. And we want you to speak. And unless and until you speak, nobody will hear. So please आइए, क्योंकि यहाँ होती है बातें दिल से दिल तक. Thank you, Sushmita.
Thank you so much.
मजा आया यार, बहुत मजा आया.
Thank you.
Thank you.